This weapon can destroy China in 30 seconds. In a world where military power and geopolitical influence are linked, the U.S.-China weapons development partnership presents important challenges. Are these two superpowers starting a new arms race? How will their technology affect power? As they compete in weaponry, prepare to delve into their complicated relationship. This is a high-stakes arena, cooperation or competition. Global security is uncertain. After years of warnings from defense officials that China is acquiring superiority in that field, the United States Department of Defense is pouring money into hypersonic weapons research and development. However, an arms race in the 21st century poses a significant danger, particularly because we do not have a complete picture of China's weapon development and because relations between these two countries continue to deteriorate. For a long time, China has been concerned that the United States may try to utilize missile defense to weaken China's nuclear deterrent. Many academics and officials in the United States military agree that the country's missile defense program has played a significant role in encouraging China to upgrade its nuclear arsenal. China's efforts to develop and perhaps deploy its own missile defense technology further complicate the situation, but may also create new avenues for two-way communication. Misunderstandings and exaggerated threats are more likely due to the rapidly increasing strategic competition between the two countries. American and Chinese predictions concerning missile defense are being altered by the spread of missile technology, notably hypersonic missile technologies. Due to recent events, it is essential to pinpoint critical obstacles and implement workable solutions to lessen the occurrence of security crises and lessen the influence of missile defense on the stability of the U.S.-China relationship. The United States has reached a key technological milestone in the field of defense capabilities with the development of hypersonic missiles. Since these hypersonic missiles are so much more advanced than conventional ones, they pose a serious threat to our current defense infrastructure and alter the nature of modern warfare. As their name implies, hypersonic missiles are meant to reach speeds greater than Mach 5, or 5 times the speed of sound. Because of their incredible speed, they may travel great distances in a shorter amount of time than conventional ballistic or cruise missiles. The United States has a major advantage thanks to these missiles because of how quickly they can respond and strike their targets. The United States hypersonic missile technology in development is highly maneuverable, making it harder to intercept and defend against. These missiles can change their flight path in midair, making it difficult for anti-missile defenses to track them and intercept them. This feature further complicates the strategic environment, making it difficult for opponents to maintain a consistent defensive posture. Halo is a fast, long-range air-launched weapon that can be deployed from a carrier and will vastly improve the military's current anti-surface combat capabilities. The Navy is investing in this program as part of its long-range fire strategy so that it can better achieve the goals of the National Defense Strategy, which places it premium on the use of hypersonic weapons. The Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile, or LRASM, the forerunner to Halo, is currently deployed above the Navy's FA-18 and the Air Force's B-1B. The Navy has just financed an update to the current weapon that will combine missile hardware and software advancements to improve targeting capabilities, filling the gap until Halo is operational. To address maritime threats beyond the mid-2020s, the Navy intends to pursue a competitive acquisition approach utilizing LRASM criteria and concept of operations. Late this decade is when we expect to see Halo enter initial operational capabilities. The Chinese have successfully tested a new air-breathing engine at hypersonic speeds in a simulated flight. According to a story in the Eurasian Times, Chinese scientists have made a breakthrough in developing a hypersonic missile that will use hydrocarbons as fuel and employ a rotating detonation engine. The latest Chinese technological development, the rotating detonation engine, is said to be capable of propelling a plane or missile at least 5 times the speed of sound. The innovative engine has the potential to deliver speed and efficiency in the near future. The missile or airplane is propelled by thousands of explosions per second generated by a spinning detonation engine. According to Chinese media, it successfully completed a simulated hypersonic test flight while being propelled by blast of cheap hydrocarbon fuel.